Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with the Scrapbooking Coach at Home kit. And I have got this tea time kit that is full of like florals and all kinds of things to do with tea. I have stamps and I have twine. I have got these cute little tags that look like tea bags. We have the alphas going on. Oh, guys, we've got gold leaf in a rose gold tone. There are brads, yada, 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 right? But let me show you this piece of paper. I think it is so darned pretty. It's got the floral. It's got some like mixed media texture kind of things. It has poems. It's cute. So I printed this photo here of my youngest. Her and I recently were on a trip together. And I kind of tweaked the photo a little bit with some editing and brought out some of the pink in it because I thought it was super cute. Now, next, I'm going to grab this sketch right here. This is part of this is volume 2 of the 525 new and advanced sketches. I like this fishtail banner piece here. We've got another piece here, maybe some banners here. I'm only going to have one photo. It's going to be fine. There's also like some kind of like round circular something here that we can work in. So I thought that would be fun, right? Now, I have this. I kind of have a hinker. Oh, and I'll grab some white cardstock and mat my photo. I always do that. I have a bit of a hinker, as it were, to mat this photo. So this is the back side. Ooh, I can do that banner piece with that. That would be super cute. I always like to use my, oh, I'm going to do a double banner. I like to use my scraps to do that kind of thing because I feel like I'm not that I'm wasting anything. It's not about wasting. I just don't want to, I don't know. Okay, I don't want to waste things. So I'm looking for something to mat this with. Something with a little bit of punch. So let me see this piece here. So this has these gorgeous florals. Love them. And it has this on the other side. I'm thinking that would be really fun to mat it with because we're going to have all of the colors in the collection. So let me go ahead and cut this piece down. Let's see if it's about there. It looks kind of like 11¼ by 11¼ Fine. That will not be any big deal. And then I will gut the paper that has all the squares on it. Do not worry, it shall be gutted. And then we can use it for all kinds of things. That's the whole point. So I'm not going to scuff up the edges this time, I don't think. Unless when I start working with it, if it starts getting a little bit too busy, then we can scuff. Not going to worry about it for right now. So let me go ahead and just cut out a nice big chunk up here. That's what I mean when I say I'm going to gut the paper. And then there's all kinds of icons and different things on this paper with all the squares that you can cut out and use as die cuts too. Which I love a paper that I can get like more mileage with by getting die cuts out of it. I love when collections do that. Okay, so right now I don't feel like I need to, do I want to scuff it or not? All right, I'm not going to glue it down until I decide on the big scuffing question, right? So, ooh, I can use a little bit of this too to mat my photo because it brings the pink out really nicely. Okay, so let me go ahead. The sketch has a fishtail banner. It has like one, but when I saw this paper, I was like, nope, we're gonna have two. And that's just how things go sometimes. So we've got the two. Let's see how wide we'd like them. I want them 2 different sizes, right? So if I say I want them 2 different sizes, I'll go like that. This is me wanting, oh guys, I almost lost my sketch page. That would have been tragique. So let's go ahead, because I felt like cutting them at the same time and getting her done. Okay, so we have that. I will go ahead and create fishtail banners out of these pieces. Guys, I thought I was being so clever cutting it all at once, and I didn't cut it all the way through. There we go. And then I'll have this layered on top of this, and then my photo has a shelf. Who knew? Okay, now what I need to do in between time, I need a fishtail banner this. I need to get this plopped down, right? No biggie. What do you guys think? Do I need to scuff? Okay, yes, I need to scuff. I have that going. Now, ooh, I'm definitely cutting out one of these aqua turquoisey colored teapots. Look at how cute that is for a cute little embellishment. Ooh, I like it. Okay, didn't plan on that, but that happened. All right, so I have scraps on scraps on scraps. Now, guys, I have a bunch of these florals that I already started cutting out as well. I have a lot going on. All right, let me get these things popped down. I'm gonna decide if I want the handle on that. I'm not quite sure. What else is in our sketch? Ooh, we also have a cute little banner that comes off of it. Oh, and on the fishtail banners, we've got these two pieces entwined. So what I can do with that is I've got this twine that came in the kit. It's gonna give us texture, which I like. And we've got these cute little brads, and that can help us hold those bits down. Guys, this is already getting cute. Okay, let me do some of my homework. I need to map my photo. I need to scuff everything up, get my little twiny bits. Ooh, and I also want to play with, oh, is it the same size? Is it the same one? I think it is. I gotta decide, like, you know what? I might get these in here too to start. These are these cute little tags, and then I can twine that area up as well. So I want those there. I like it. Those are definitely getting scuffed. And then my very favorite stamp is this one. I might have to just bring that in as well. Ooh, and this cup. If I don't find a nice image of that, I'm going to stamp it. Okay, lots of homework to do. I'll meet you right back here. I looked over, guys, and I saw my stencil, and I was like, wait, I want to get some of this stencil work in while I'm at it. So I only have it right here, and the reason why is because I'm gonna have all kinds of goodies going on down here. So I'm gonna let that dry, but before it's fully dry, I think I'm gonna put some of my gold leaf in it and get it all sparkly and beautiful. All right, y'all, so I've got my stamped pieces. I've got my twine here with the brads, and I think that's fun. It's giving me some really nice kind of a fiber vibe going on. I'm going to bring that same twine in, this mulberry colored twine, and I don't really know all of where I'm gonna go with it. I tend to do things where I like to kind of make loops with it. Oops. But in this case, I'm not quite sure because we're not going to have a ton of it showing. So I'm wondering what I want to do. I mean, on this side, I can definitely do one of my little loopity loops. And what I mean with that is I grab a little bit of adhesive and I just tack it down. Now you can see on my stencil, I went ahead and brushed off some of that, guys, why don't I have words? Some of the gold leaf, which is actually rose gold leaf. And so I've got little bits of sparkly happiness here and there. Now, I can still do that with product going forward. I'm just gonna see how that goes. Oh guys, I like it like this. So you just have to hold it down for kind of a second while it's grabbing onto that fiber. All right, so next, I've got some really gorgeous florals that I started to fussy cut out, and I need to cut some more of them out. These right here. So I'm gonna cut some of them out. That's gonna be fun. I've got my cute little teapot embellishment, and then my little teacup. So I think that will be super fun as well. So look at how well that cluster has come together. I've got these cute tea bags, and she's not drinking tea, but it totally works. Her and I love Earl Grey. Big Earl Grey fan. She didn't know how much she liked it, and then she started drinking it with me, and yeah, that is the tea of choice, my friends. Tea of choice. So Let me fussy cut some of those florals out. I love, love, love all of these fibers. I think they are fabulous. And this right here may be giving me a little spot for a title as well. So I've got a little bit of homework to do. Let me get right back, y'all. I've started placing all of these bits and pieces down, and the more bits you put on and the more you build it out, guys, it is so pretty. It is so, so pretty. So also when I'm looking at this, I think, you know how I've got this bit here? I think I would like to do the opposite, have this one here, but what if we had this one coming down this way? I think that would complete this line. So I'm going to do that. I need to get some splatty bits on here. I need to complete that, and then I will come back and show you this finished layout. All right, my friends, this layout is done. I thought it was so fun and so pretty, and she looks adorable. Layout ended up being called Details. That is a perfect little title for this fun layout. Love the added texture that I have with this twine. The tags are great in that they have a tiny bit of sheen on the tags on the yellow, so that you end up having these different finishes, and I think that is a blast. I'm going to have still shots to follow. Links are down below where you can get your hands on both the books, the sketches, titles, all that kind of thing, as well as where you can subscribe to these kits. They are affiliate links. Use them, don't use them. I totally get it. Either way, whatever makes you feel comfortable. It just helps to support my channel a wee bit. Okay, guys, still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.